Beautiful day. Nice sunshine here in Central Florida.
Orange is watching me. I'll let some ducks. E o patinho faz, filha? Como que o patinho faz? Como é que é, filha? Ele vai voar. Ele vai voar. É? Olha, Matina.
Oi?
Yeah, just stand.
Oh yeah, Animal Kingdom still seeing a lot of people showing up. And they're still pouring in. Oh yeah, we're not the only ones saying let's leave the park. It's too packed. All right, we decided to head to Disney Springs for lunch. Parks are so packed. Yeah, come on, let's go. Check out Disney Springs. Yeah, Disney Springs. Coming in from the Orange Garage. Coca-Cola building, Planet Hollywood. They got that new Disney Plus Hulu display. It's a cool place to get a picture taken on it's like a stage set. You can have your picture taken there. Oh, the balloon's going up. Oh, it stopped. It's in the air, but it's not going up. It's going back down. Oh, maybe they're just testing it out. Yeah, Disney Springs is a lot of fun.
Yeah, I think it's tethered down right now.
Oh, they were just making some tests. There's Wetzel's Pretzel. They got a Starbucks right over there. I'll show it to you. See coffee? Starbucks. Starbucks coffee. All right, I think we're going to try Homecoming. We're going to go to Homecoming and see if there's a long wait. And if not, we're going to have something to eat at Homecoming. Chef Art Smith. Used to be Oprah's chef. Yep, there's Maria Enzone's. And there's the secret tunnel entrance there. The Hideaway Tunnel Bar. STK Steakhouse. And that building right there, that's Homecoming. Oh yeah, he's known for chicken dinners. There's the sign that greets you as you approach. Chef Art's famous fried chicken. We'll have to get in line here and find out what the wait time is. Yeah, we decided to go ahead and put our name down. 40-minute wait. Yep, Homecoming food is so good. We really did want to eat there, so yeah, I think now we'll head up to the pin store while we're waiting and do another box opening, a mystery pin box opening. Yeah, let's go do that. All right, we made it to the pin trading store. Let's go in and find the mystery box. All right. Oh, this is what's new here. right, here are the boxes. Joey Chow. Joey Chow mystery box. I tell you what, Judy, I'll let you pick a box. Which box to pick? We're hoping to get an orange bird. All right, there it is. Let's go check out.
Is there?
Yeah, oh, that's right. There he is, orange bird.
There's the price.
Oh yeah, that's what they cost. And you get 2 pins. All right, let's go check out. Yeah, we found a really nice place to sit. That's a nice Disney Springs logo back there, isn't it? Anyways, we're gonna do that box opening now, the mystery pin box opening. See what we got. We're hoping for an orange bird. And last time you saw, we got the dog and Stitch. Those are good looking pins, you know. We're hoping this time we get orange bird, but I'm sure we can't go wrong. All those pins look really good. So Joey Chow. See this mystery pin set. All right, are you gonna open it? I remember last time it gave you
Hard time.
all right, there they are inside. I'll grab one out. All right, it's inside of this bag. I'll let Judy open it. Which one?
Stitch.
Oh, we got another Stitch. All right. Got another Stitch, okay. And the other one, the dog again. Oh my gosh, how did we do that? We ended up with the same 2. Okay, we got pins to trade.
Yeah, we do. Trading pins.
I think those are quality pins. I like that artist and what he's done with the pins. They're really cool. So, very good. Well, next time maybe we'll get lucky. Oh look, you can ride a train here. Isn't that cool? There are rides here at Disney Springs. Oh yeah, and they also have a really nice carousel ride here. Isn't that cool? Oh, they even have cars that spin on there. Nice. Now we're going to shop around in the World of Disney store for a little bit. And we got some time to kill before we eat. Oh wow, look at that. A Mac Holler of Cars. Oh, there's the hippie van. George Carlin did the voice of the hippie van. Tow Mater. Hey, Sarge is up there. Yep. Pretty cool. Well, they got the box down here. So I wonder what they want for this. Oh, that's what they want. For the Rusty's Lightning McQueen. I'm sorry, for the Mack truck full of cars. Oh, and that's all the cars that come on the Mack truck. Yep, you do get Lightning McQueen there. And quite a few others. Tow Mater. Yeah, oh cool. Oh, and here's a box of just cars. Just the race cars. And that's what they want for it. Well, what is that car there? Do you see that in a box? Oh, it's that one, huh?
No, that ain't it either.
No, that's a different one. Yeah, I wonder where that one is.
I see it from there. We can't get it.
But Don't you think these Mack trucks full of cars is just so cool? I mean, look at all them toys a kid would get for just 90 bucks. That is cool.
You guys have like 2,600 square feet.
What is that?
It's like a backpack.
Oh, a backpack for cars. Nice decal. Yeah, nice decal and everything on it. Radiator springs. Yeah. That's nice. What is this? Oh, this is like a map. A map thing that you lay out and you have your car drive on it. That's tow meter in there.
Okay.
And that's what they want for that. Oh, here's that display that showed Rusty's car on the ramp. Yeah, that's it in a box there. And that's what they want for it. Not bad, 30 bucks. Oh, you can get a 2 set. And here's another box. Is this remote control? I believe it is. Remote control, yes. So there's your control on the bottom, and there's your car on the top. Lightning McQueen. Yeah, very cool. Hi, Lightning McQueen. So what do they want for it, I wonder? Oh, that's what they want. These are all your parts that you get in there. And they have another model, also remote control. Pixar cars. Nice. Yeah, in the end, I like that Mack Hauler right up there. That thing is so cool. Full of cars. Nice. Got a hat. Lightning McQueen, 95. Yeah, and that's what they want for it. A lot of nice cars, collectibles here. Oh, yeah, look at that. Nice shirt for a kid. And that's what they want for it. Yeah, these are cool. Get a set of 3 cars. They tell you who they are too. Jackson Storm, Lightning McQueen, Chase Racer. And that's what they want for it. Look at that. They got tow meter. Full function control and working towing. Tow meter. Oh, nice. And that's what they want for it. Yes, it is a remote control. Today it's pretty packed in here at the World of Disney, just like the parks. It's really packed. So I think we're going to head back over towards Homecoming. Yep, they should be letting us know that it's time to be seated soon. There's the Levi store. And there's a Harley Davidson store. I see the sign. We're soon going to see the store. Right next to the Polite Pig. Yep, there's the Harley Davidson store. And the Polite Pig, what a wonderful place to get barbecued food. Love their food. Their brisket is just Really good. Yeah, we're not far from our destination. You see the Spring Bottling Company sign up there. We're just across the street from that. Oh, there's the Pandora store. They make some of the cutest Disney charms I've ever seen. There's the Homecoming restaurant. And Planet Hollywood in the background. The observatory. Oh yeah, there's Deluxe Burger. Or should I say Deluxe Burger. The Raglan Road. Nice Irish food right there. The Raglan Road. And here is the line for Gideon's. Gideon's is up there a ways. This is the line right here for Gideon's. Yeah, I'd say a good 35-40 minute wait on that. All right, they're wiping down our table. Boy, we are ready to go eat. I hope that ain't the table. That's too central. Oh man, look at all that food they got set up there. Ready to go out to the people. Man, that looks good. All right, where are we going to sit? Oh man, nice. Thank you. We lucked out. This is a nice table. I like it. Nice location. Big enough for all the food we're going to get. Yeah. Well, I guess I better look at the menu. We decided to go with the ultimate breakfast sandwich. It says choice of side, so we're going to have mac and cheese. They had a lot of great choices on this brunch menu. Their Southern Brunch, Rise and Shine. Look at that key lime berry parfait. That's interesting. And the fried chicken and donuts. Now we're going with the ultimate breakfast sandwich. Oh, short rib hash. Hallelujah biscuit. Fried egg and avocado toast. Yeah, our waitress name is Brittany, and she's taking care of us, and she's doing a good job at it too. Let me show you around. Look at some of the decoration in here. Chickens. It's funny. This is a chicken place. That's a cute one there too. Yeah, I like the way they decorate in here. A lot of nice artwork. Yeah, the chairs are. Anyways, let's film it this time.
Oh, yeah.
Because I just looked down and I wasn't filming. Anyways, hey, they just brought out our coffee. I put cream in mine. And Judy got coffee as well. Decaf. Very nice. All right, they just brought out our meal. And we got that ultimate breakfast sandwich, which, oh, look, it has bacon and ham. That's a Parmesan cheese on there. And the bacon jam, we had it off to the side because there may be some onion in it. And we did ask them to hold the chives. So typically this would look with a green chive sprinkled over top. But we asked them to hold it. And this is their famous mac and cheese, baked mac and cheese. Oh man, this looks so good. Well, can't wait to dig in. Just look at that mac and cheese. Look just how cheesy. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Best mac and cheese ever. Oh boy, that was so good. We filled up. Man, that was the most delicious mac and cheese ever. Breakfast sandwich was great. Yep, There's nothing I can say but excellent, excellent food there at Homecoming. I don't know what type of bird this is, but oh wow. Look at the red head. White, red head. I'm not sure what it is. He's dunking his head in the water. So we decided to take a walk. We went out the back of Disney Springs and went over here to Saratoga. It's not Sarasota, it's Saratoga.
Saratoga Resort.
Yep, we went over to the Saratoga Resort and went for a nice walk around the lakes. Beautiful. And I decided to come into the main resort and shop around a little bit. And look what we found in there. Yes, they have pins and they have the pin box. So we're going to do another pin reveal with Joey Chow's mystery pin set. See if we can't get the orange bird this time. Okay, here we go. There's a couple of them in there. Here's one. I'll have Judy open that for us.
What is it gonna be?
Hopefully something different.
Are we ready?
I'm ready. That is definitely something different. Is that Walt Mickey?
Yes.
Wow, that is cool.
That is.
Walt and Mickey.
Oh, I love it.
Yes. Oh, now I can't wait to see what the other one is.
Yes.
Here's the other one that was in there. Okay, here it comes.
Are we ready?
What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be?
Orange bird! We scored!
Orange bird! We got him! Awesome.
All right. Yay!
Yay, we did it. Took us 3 boxes. Walt and Mickey, that is cool as well.
Yes,
Loving
I love them
that.
both. Wow.
How nice.
Fantastic.
Awesome. And this resort's all about racing, racehorses, that kind of thing. And here's their monument, the Winner's Circle Monument.
Yeah, it's been fun.
Really cool.
I just noticed that on his lapel thing.
Oh, right down here?
Yeah.
There's a Mickey.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice eye. Yeah, very cool.
Yeah. And if you look right behind you there, at the carriage house. Look
Yeah.
at the carriage there.
Oh yeah. Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa. What a beautiful pool. Look, Saratoga also has the Surrey bikes. You can rent the Surrey bike. Here's horsing around rentals. The 2-seat Surrey will cost you $25 for 30 minutes. A 4-seat Surrey will cost you $28 for 30 minutes. Oh, here comes somebody on a Surrey bike. Howdy.
It's not as easy as it looks on the video.
Oh, is it? It isn't? Oh, but it's fun, right? Yeah, they look like they're having a blast.
Yeah.
Okay,
You're good. You don't have to stop walking. How you doing?
very good. Yeah, you too. Aren't these cars cool? They drive on land and water. One of my films, I showed them coming up out of the water. It's really cool.
You already did.
Yeah, I'll have to put the link in the description so they can go to that video if they want to see that.
Yeah.
Yep, this is the walkway back from Saratoga to Disney Springs. There's the Disney Springs balloon and the planetarium back there. Springs Bottling Company. You can see the sign. Well, if I zoom in a little for you, see it?
Going up.
Oh, the balloon's going up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sure is. Another bunch of people going up to see Disney Springs from way up high. Yeah. Disney Springs.
Cirque du Soleil down
Yeah, there's House of Blues. Right next to Cirque du Soleil. Cirque du Soleil, House of Blues. J-Lo next door, and then the Summer House. Hey, nice umbrella.
How we doing, folks?
Real good. Oh yeah, there's the boathouse, and that's the paddle boat right next to it.
I'm not sure what it's called.
We'll have to find out. Check that out. That's the paddlefish. Nice restaurant in there. You can see the tables set up on the deck. They also have seating up on the 3rd floor. Very nice. Like that. Rainforest Cafe right there in the Lava Lounge. Ghirardelli in the background there. And up ahead here, this is where you catch a boat to take from Disney Springs to the local resorts here.
Friendship boats.
Friendship boats, yeah. Some of the resorts they go to is like Saratoga and they go to
Orleans.
Port Orleans and Key West Resort.
Yeah, Old Key West.
Yeah. Riverside.
Riverside.
Yeah, you can catch a boat from Disney Springs and go to those resorts.
Yeah.
Oh, we don't need it right now. There's no
Yep. There it is, Disney Springs. Welcome. We're back. Entrance is just up ahead. All right, here's where you go in. Yep, when you come back in, come in right by the Eat restaurant. Yeah, back in Disney Springs. Well, that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.